Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom British designed house sits on 1.1 acres of fertile fruited land and is uniquely decorated with antique and modern furnishings. It comprises of master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, 2 bedrooms, a shared bathroom, front patio, a foyer, a kitchen, a breakfast nook, a dining room, a living room, powder room, study, laundry or utility room, garage with storage, and huge loft. Amenities includes bedrooms with AC unit and ceiling fan, built-in closets, smoke detectors throughout the house, 220 and 110 electrical wirings, wired for cable and internet, security system, fire extinguisher, water heater, water tanks, entire house thermostat and insulated to control temperature, windows double glazed to reduce outdoor noise, underground wiring and plumbing, outdoor barbecue area, sitting area, garden areas, and a lot of fruit trees such as Otaiti apples, mangoes, oranges, tambourine, guinep, lemon, banana, coconut, aki, breadfruit, etc. The house is selling semi-furnished. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $215,000 or Jamaican $33 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.